Hey, if you want to input the SIM card and open the SIM slot on the Redmi 12C, first of all, you have to locate the SIM slot. It's located on the left side in the left upper corner. You have to use the SIM tool, like this one for example. Input it and press on it gently until this SIM slot pops up. Then grab it with your fingernails and gently remove. There we go. As you can see, we are able to input two SIM cards and the micro SD card. So let's do this. That's how you can input the SIM card and put it back into your SIM slot. Then press on it, and as you can see right now, that's all. If you go to the settings, you have to go for the SIM cards and the mobile networks. And here you can find your network. And that's all. Right now, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.